This might be the oldest tool that I own, or at least the oldest ratchet that I own. It's a Craftsman ratchet. Guess from what year? You can see we have a little date code here of BT. Guess what year this was manufactured from? I found this helpful forum. If you want to check it out, I'll link it below. It says that this is from 1936 to 1938. So can you believe that? Almost 100-year-old ratchet. Maybe 90 years, but I can exaggerate a little bit. So we have almost 90-year-old ratchet right here. And this is what is even more shocking to me. Listen to that. I mean, it is practically purring like a kitten. But because I just picked this up, I say we take it apart, clean it up, and lubricate it so that it can last even longer. Start by removing this rust, and I'm just going to use an old wire brush. Start taking that off. Nothing over the top, just enough to get off that initial surface rust. Maybe in another video we'll really polish this thing up. But for now, I'm more curious what the inside looks like. And look how simple it is. Just 3 screws. No retaining rings, no snap rings. Nice and simple. Wow. Who knows if this thing has ever even been opened. Wow, look at that. I mean, the teeth on that thing. I don't even see any sign of chipping. Wow. Old Craftsman surely was built different. But I say let's clean these parts, reinstall, lubricate, and see how much better it sounds. Cleaned up pretty decently. What does a 1930s ratchet sound like that's been recently lubricated? Here you go. That's simple. So questions or comments, put it below. I always appreciate your feedback. And here's a question for you. Is it better to keep and restore something like this, even if it just sits in your toolbox? Or is it better just to sell something like this and make room for tools that you'll actually use? What are your thoughts on that? Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.